Hey there, DIY champs. You've just painted your room and you're loving the new look, right? But oh no, the smell. Those pesky paint fumes are just not budging. No worries. We've got your back. Today, we'll share some neat tricks on how to get rid of paint smell in a room. Fast, easy, and efficient. Are you ready? Let's dive in. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! First off, you gotta ventilate the room. Crack open those windows and doors. Get that fresh air in and boot out the stale one. Got a box fan? Perfect, use it to push that smelly air out. If you live somewhere humid, a dehumidifier can be your best pal. It'll suck out the moisture that makes the paint smell stick around longer. And hey, if you've got an air conditioner or an HVAC system, turn it on. Just make sure that filter's clean for maximum airflow. Done all that and still can't shake off the smell? Don't fret, we've got more tricks up our sleeve. It's time for a thorough clean. Vacuum carpets and upholstery, wipe down your walls, baseboards, and furniture. Use a mix of warm water and vinegar for this. You'll have to mix equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle and spray on those items. And don't forget, toss those curtains and beddings in the wash. You might have to repeat this step a few times, but it's worth it, trust us. Next up on our odor-fighting arsenal. Activated charcoal. This stuff works like a charm, trapping those stinky particles in its porous structure. Place bowls or bags of it around your room, especially near freshly painted walls or stinky furniture. Leave it for several days or even a week. But remember, you might need to replace the charcoal if the smell's still hanging around. Baking soda, another odor-destroying superhero. Put it in bowls around the room or create a paste to apply on surfaces. Give it some time to do its magic, then toss it or vacuum it up. Did you know white vinegar can be your ally in this fight, too? Just like before, place bowls of vinegar around the room and let it absorb the smell. Or make a cleaning solution and give your room another wipe down. Let's make things smell nicer now. Essential oils or citrus oils can be a game changer. They not only mask the paint smell, but also add a nice, pleasant aroma to your room. You can use a diffuser, make a spray, or even just place citrus peels around your room. Consider an air purifier with a HEPA filter. These bad boys are designed to capture tiny paint particles and fumes. Get one with a high CADR rating and let it do its job. Finally, we have ozone generators. They neutralize paint odor, but remember, ozone can be harmful to humans and pets if not used properly, so be careful and follow the instructions. There you have it, folks. Some of our tried and true methods of getting rid of paint smell in a room. Remember, persistence is key here, so keep at it till that smell is history. If one method doesn't work, combine two or more, or give them all a shot. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. Until next time, stay odor-free, folks.